Coefficient is not 1. What is coefficient here? Yes, 24. So find two number whose sum is 37. Whose sum is 37. And product is 24 into minus 5. Product is 24 into minus 5, that is minus 120. So find two number whose sum is 37 and product is minus 120. What are those two numbers? Yes. What are those two numbers? Huh? What are those two numbers? Find two numbers. Wait. We'll take the number. 1 minute. If you take the number, yes. If you take the number as plus 40 and minus 3, when you will add, you will get plus 37. When you will multiply, you will get minus 120. So this I will write a into 24a square plus 40a minus 3a minus 5. Okay, so this middle term 37a we split 40a minus 3a. So that is a into, what is common, 40a and 24a, 8a is common. So that is 3a plus 5 minus, I will take common, then it is 3a plus 5. 3a plus 5 is common, 3a plus 5 is common. Then what is left? 8a minus 1. Nothing is there means it is 1 is there. And this is a factorization. Okay. Yes. Okay, so let us continue. Sixth one over, now seventh one. A into 3a minus 2 minus 1. A into 3a minus 2 minus 1. You open the bracket. That will be 3a square minus 2a minus 1, which is the quadratic where coefficient is 3. So find two number whose sum is minus 2 and product is 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. So minus 3 and 1, yes or no? Minus 3 and 1. Minus 3 and 1 plus 1. Minus 3 and plus 1. When you will add, you will get minus 2. When you multiply, you will get minus 3. So this will be 3a square minus 3a plus a minus 1. Middle term minus 2a, I have written minus 3a plus a. Now 3a is common. So that is a minus 1 plus 1 into a minus 1. A minus 1 is common. Then it is 3a plus 1. Yes, so last term it is product of two factors, so it is the factorization. Then seventh we have done. Now, so whenever you see the quadratic, you identify whether coefficient is 1 or coefficient is not equal to 1. Coefficient is 1, then sum should be B and product should be C. But whenever coefficient is not 1, sum should be B, product should be A into C. Then eighth one, A square B square plus 8AB minus 9. A square B square plus 8AB minus 9. Yes. So what you can do, see this idea. A square B square, you can write AB whole square. Yes. You can write AB whole square. A square B square, you can write AB whole square. A square B square, you can write AB whole square. Then 8AB minus 9. Okay. Now, 1 minute. let AB is equal to x. You take as x, no? Two variables are there, you can convert them into one variable. AB is x. So this becomes x square plus 8x minus 9. Now this is the quadratic. Coefficient is 1. So find two number whose sum is 8, product is minus 9. So minus 9 and 1. Minus 9 and 1. These are two numbers. When you will add, 9 and minus 1. Then you will add, you will get 8. When you multiply, you will get minus 9. So this I will write x square plus 9x minus x minus 9. Okay. So x is common, x plus 9. Then minus I will take common, x plus 9. X plus 9 is common, x plus 9 into x minus 1. Put the value of x. Put x is equal to AB now. So this becomes AB plus 9 into AB minus 1. So whenever there are two variables, we can write that as one variable. We take AB as x. That's all. Yes, no problem. If you can If you can identify directly, then there is no problem. But if you have problem in identification because of two variables, you can convert that into one variable. AB I will write x. If you can identify directly, you can write the answer directly. Then ninth one, 3 minus a, 3 minus a into 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7. Yes, what you will write? 3 minus 4a, then minus into plus, minus 7a square. This I will rewrite, that is minus 7a square minus 4a plus 3. Now coefficient is not 1. So find two number whose sum is minus 4. Sum is minus 4. And product is minus 7 into 3. Product is minus 7 into 3, that is minus 21. So what are two numbers whose sum is minus 4, product is minus 21? Numbers are minus 7 and plus 3. Yes or no? Minus 7 and plus 3. When you will add, you will get minus 4. When you will multiply, you will get minus 21. So this I will write minus 7a square. Yes. This I am writing. Yes, directly you can write. This I am writing for all of your understanding. Minus 7a. Yes, okay. Perfectly alright. You can write directly. Plus 3a plus 1. So minus 7a is common. Then it is a plus 1. Plus 3 is common, then it is a plus 1. A plus 1 is common, a plus 1 common, then it is a plus 1 into minus 7a plus 3, which you can write a plus 1 into 3 minus 7a. Yes. And this is the factorization. Then 10th one, 2a plus b whole square. 10th one, 2a plus b whole square. 2a plus b whole square. 2a plus b whole square. 10th one. 2a plus b whole square. 2a plus b whole square. 2a plus b whole square, 2a plus b whole square, minus 6a minus 3b minus 4, minus 6a minus 3b minus 4, nothing to worry. Okay? Let us write, we'll see what happens. This is 2a plus b whole square. Don't expand this. Do not go for expanding this. There I will take minus 3 common, then it is 2a plus b. Minus 4. Now can you see which Yes. Now which variable is common? 2a plus b. 2a plus b. So let 2a plus b is equal to x. 2a plus b is equal to x. So this becomes x square minus 3x minus 4, which is the quadratic. Find two number whose sum is minus 3 and product is minus 4. Product is minus 4. What are the two numbers? Minus 4 and 1. No, minus 2, minus 1. No. Minus 4 and 1. Minus 4 and 1, my dear. When you will add, you will get when you will add, you will get minus 3. When you will multiply, you will get minus 4. So this I will write x square minus 4x plus x minus 4. 1 means 1x. X is common. X into x minus 4 plus 1 into x minus 4. X minus 4. X minus 4 is common. So that is x minus 4 into x plus 1. Put the value of x. What is x? 2a plus b. So x is 2a plus b. So 2a plus b minus 4 into 2a plus b plus 1. This is the factorization. Okay. So do not expand this. See what students do. They use the formula a plus b whole square. No need of that a plus b whole square. I believe. Because we use the expansion if some term get cancelled. Clearly we can see that no term will get cancelled. So there is no need to use them. Mute the microphone. Yes, no problem. You can write plus x minus 4x. No problem. Same answer you will get. Same answer you will get. Whether you write this term first or this term second, no problem. Same answer you are going to get. 11th, it is 1 minus 2b minus 2b, 1 minus 2a minus 2b, 1 minus 2a minus 2b, minus 3 times a plus b whole square. 3 times a, let us see, 1 minus 2, then it is a plus b, minus 3 into a plus b whole square. This I will rewrite, that is minus 3 times a plus b whole square, minus 2 times a plus b, minus 2 times a plus b plus 1. Now a plus b is common. So you can take a plus b is equal to x. Let a plus b is equal to x. So this becomes minus 3x square minus 2x plus 1. So find two number whose sum is minus 2 and product is minus 3 into 1. Minus 3 into 1, that is minus 3. So find two number whose sum is minus 2, product is minus 3. So minus 3 and 1. Minus 3 and 1. When you will add, you will get minus 2. When you multiply, you will get minus 3. So this is minus 3x square minus 3x plus x plus 1. Minus 3x square minus 3x minus 3x is common. So that is x plus 1 plus 1 into x plus 1. X plus 1 is common. So that is x plus 1 into minus 3x plus 1. Minus 3x plus 1 I will write 1 minus 3x. So that is x plus 1 into 1 minus 3x. 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 Put the value of x. So put x is equal to a plus b. Yes, so that is a plus b plus 1 into 1 minus 3 times a plus b. You open the bracket. So for a plus b plus 1 into 1 minus 3a minus 3b. 1 minus 3a minus 3b, this is the answer. 1 minus 3a minus 3b, this is the answer. 1 minus 3a minus 3b. This is the answer. So in this quadratic, you have to identify whether coefficient is 1 or coefficient is not equal to 1. Then 12, 3a square, 3a square minus 1 minus 2a. This I am giving homework. You rewrite this. Okay? You have to rewrite. This will be 3a square minus 2a minus 1, and then further part will be homework. Okay? Then 13th x square plus 3x plus 2, x square plus 3x plus 2, x square plus 3x plus 2 plus ax plus 2a plus ax plus 2a, ax plus 2a. Okay? Now x square plus 3x plus 2. This we have to simplify quadratic separately. We have to do the grouping. These two I have taken together, these two I have taken together. Now this is the quadratic. So find two numbers whose sum is 3 and multiplication is 2. What are the two numbers? Yes, sum is 3. So plus 2 and plus 1, no? Plus 2 and plus 1. Plus 2 and plus 1. When you will add, you will get 3. When you will multiply, you will get plus 2. So first three terms are quadratic terms. Those I will simplify separately. Those I will simplify separately. Yes. So that I will write x square plus 2x plus x plus 1. 3x I have written 2x plus x plus 2. 3x I have written 2x plus x plus a is common, then it is x plus 2. Now this I can write x common, x into x plus 2 plus 1 into x plus 2 plus a into x plus 2. So these two I will simplify separately. That is x plus 2 common, then it is x plus 1 in plus a into x plus 2. X plus 2 is common. X plus 2 is common. So that is x plus 2 into x plus 1 plus a. This is the answer. Got it? Then 14th. 3x minus 2y whole square. 3x minus 2y whole square plus 3 into 3x minus 2y minus 10. Yes. How you will do? Same thing. 3x minus 2y. So let a is equal to 3x minus 2y. So this become a square plus 3a minus 10. Further part homework. Find two number whose sum is 3. Multiplication is minus 10. So plus 5 and plus 5 and minus 2. Okay. So 14th I am giving homework further part. 14th I am giving homework further calculation part. Since we have to cover all the problems, I am giving few problem calculation homework. Now 15 pi minus 3a square minus 2a, 3a square minus 2a into 6 minus 2a square, 6 minus 3a square, 3a square plus 2a. Okay, let us see how it comes. Okay, so this is 5 minus, what is common in these two? A is common, then what is left? 3a minus 2. 3a minus 2. Okay, then this is my quadratic, which I will rewrite minus 3a square plus 2a plus 6. Now this quadratic we have to simplify. Find two number whose sum is plus 2 and multiplication is minus 3 into 6, that is minus 18. So what are two numbers whose sum is plus 2? Multiplication is minus 18. Yes. What are those two numbers whose sum is plus 2, multiplication is minus 18? Or what you can do, see this. Instead of simplifying this directly, I will write this as 6 minus, let me take common in this, then we'll simplify. 6 minus, what is common? 3a square, 2a, a is common. Then it is 3a minus 2, no? 3a minus 2, yes or no? 3a square plus 2a I have split, no? Now what is common in them? 3a minus 2, 3a minus 2. So I will write, let 3a minus 2 is equal to x. And we write this equation. So that becomes 5 minus ax into bracket 6 minus ax. Okay. So now you open the bracket. So that becomes 5 minus 6ax minus into minus plus a square x square. So this I will write a square x square minus 6ax plus 5. So find two numbers. Yes. Find two numbers. Are you getting this? Find two numbers whose sum is minus 6a. And multiplication is x is my variable. Remember, x is my variable. So numbers are minus 6a and a square. So multiplication is 5a square. Tell me, what are two numbers whose sum is minus 6a and multiplication is 5a square? Yes. What are two numbers? Minus 5a and minus a. Are you getting? Minus 5a and minus a. Is it clear? Or if you want, I can do one more method. Tell me, is it clear this much? Yes, my x is a variable. No, I have taken directly. If you want, see, if you are confused, then I have to take one more variable. If you are confused with the variable x and a, then what I will do? Ax square I will write ax whole square minus 6ax plus 5. Let me write one more variable. Let ax is equal to p. Let me take ax is equal to m, some other variable. Let me take ax is equal to m. Okay, if you are not able to factor directly, you can do directly. Let ax is equal to m. So this becomes m square minus 6m plus 5. Now find two numbers whose sum is minus 6. And product is plus 5. So what are the numbers? Minus 5 and minus 1. So this I will write m square minus 5m minus m plus 5. So this will be m common, m minus 5 into minus common m minus 5. M minus 5 is common. So m minus 5 into m minus 1. Put the value of m. Put m is equal to ax. So that becomes ax minus 5 into ax minus 1. This is the answer. Yes. Now again you have to put the value of x. Okay. You have to put the value of x because two variables, two times I have used the variable. No. So what is x? Put x is equal to 3a minus 2. Put x is equal to 3a minus 2. Put the value of x again. Put x is equal to 3a minus 2. Put x is equal to 3a minus 2. Put x is equal to 3a minus 2. So this will become a into 3a minus 2 minus 5 into a into 3a minus 2 minus 1. Let us simplify this. Let us simplify. A into 3a square minus 2a minus 5. One quadratic. 3a square minus 2a minus 1. Another quadratic. Now you have to find two numbers separate whose sum is minus 2 and multiplication is 3 into minus 5, that is minus 15. In this you have to find two numbers whose sum is minus 2 and multiplication is 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. Yes. So in this what are the in this number will be 5, minus 5 and 3. Minus 5 and plus 3. In this find two number whose sum is minus 2 and multiplication is minus 3. Yes. What are the number? Tell me. Minus 3 and plus 1, no? When you will add, you will get minus 2. When you will add, you will get minus 2. Yes or no? When you will add, you will get minus 2. So this I will write 3a square plus 3a minus 5a minus 5. And this I will write 3a square minus 3a plus a minus 1. So in this 3a common, then it is a plus 1, minus 5 common, then it is a plus 1. In this 3a common, then it is a minus 1 plus 1 into a minus 1. So a plus 1 is common, a plus 1 into 3a minus 5 into a minus 1 is common, then it is 3a plus 1. And this is the answer. Product of 4 factors. This factorization is product of 4 factors. This factorization is product of 4 factors. Understood? This factorization is product of 4 factors. Yes, clear. Now 16. So in this twice we have to use the substitution method. Twice we use the variable, but technique remains same. Quadratic of type 1 or type 2 you have to identify and accordingly you have to use. So do not worry about the time taking to do the calculation. You see that you get the correct answer. That is more important. 16th, 1 upon 35 plus 12 upon 35a plus a square. Okay. Now denominator is not same. So I will make denominator equal. 35 plus 12a upon 35. To make denominator equal, I have to multiply by 35 in the numerator and multiply by 35 in the denominator. So a square you will write a square upon 1. Then multiply and divide by 35. Now denominator is same. So 1 upon 35 I can take common. Then what is left in the bracket? 1 plus 12a plus 35a square. So 1 upon 35, this we rewrite, that is 35a square plus 12a, mute the microphone, plus 1. Mute the microphone. Now find two numbers whose sum is 12 and product is 35 into 1. Product is 35 into 1, that is 35. So find two numbers Yes, what are the two numbers? Plus 7 and plus 5, no? Plus 7 and plus 5. When you will add, you will get plus 12. When you will multiply, you will get plus 35. So plus 5 and plus 7. Plus 5 and plus 7 are two numbers. When we add, we will get plus 12. When we multiply, we will get plus 35. So plus 7 and plus 5. Plus 7 and plus 5. Okay, so this will write 1 upon 35 into 35a square plus 7a plus 5 plus 1. This middle term I have split. Well, I have written 7a plus 5. Okay. So 1 upon 35. Then 7a is common. Then it is 5 plus 1 plus 1 into 5 plus 1. We do the grouping. 5 plus 1 is common. 5 plus 1 is common. So that is 1 upon 35 into 5 plus 1 into 7a plus 1. And this is the answer. Because last term is factorization. Then 17. Factorize x square minus 3x, x square minus 3x, x square minus 3x into x square minus 3x minus 1, x square minus 3x minus 1. Now which term you can see common? Yes, x square minus 3x, no? This x square minus 3x I will take a. So let x square minus 3x is equal to a. And rewrite this equation. We take x square minus 3x is equal to a. And rewrite this equation. Minus 1 minus 20. Okay. X square minus 3x minus 1 minus 20. Yes. Minus 20. So, yes. So this will write a, x square minus 3x is a. Yes. So that will write a into a minus 1 minus 20. That will become a into a minus 1 minus 20. Now we open the bracket. A into a square minus a minus 20, which is a quadratic of type 1. Find two number whose sum is minus a means it is minus 1. Sum is minus 1 and product is minus 20. So find minus 5 and plus 4. When you will add, you will get minus 1. When you will multiply, you will get minus 20. So this becomes a square minus 5 plus 4a minus 20. Okay, so this becomes a into a minus 5 plus 4 into a minus 5. A minus 5 is common. A minus 5, a minus 5. That is a minus 5 into a plus 4. Do not forget to put the value of a. Put a is equal to x square minus 3ax. So that becomes x square minus 3x, x square minus 3x minus 5 and x square minus 3x plus 4. X square minus 3x minus 5 and x square minus 3x plus 4. X square minus 3x minus 5 and x square minus 3x plus 4. So both are quadratic. You have to simplify each one of them. So x square minus 3x minus 5. So that will be x square minus 3x minus 5. X square minus 3x minus 5 into x square minus 3x plus 4. Mute the microphone. Now find two number whose sum is minus 3 and product is minus 5. In this find two number whose sum is minus 3 and product is plus 4. Product is plus 4. In this we will see whose sum is minus 3, product is minus 5. So first one is not possible. Okay, so we cannot factorize first one. What about second one? Yes, find two number. Find two number whose sum is this. Can you factorize second one? Yes. Is there is any number whose sum is minus 3, product is plus 4? No. So this is also not factorizable. Yes or no? So if none of them are factorizable, then this is your answer. Answer will be x square minus 3x minus 5 and x square minus 3x plus 4. If none of them are factorizable, then this is your answer. And this is there in the factorization form. Okay. So now it is 10:32. We stop here. We are having one more period, 6th period. You see that remaining part in 6th period. Okay. Yes. Bye everybody. Attendance I take when you join.